Is your PC running slow, crashing, or showing random errors? Most of the time, outdated drivers are the main reason behind these problems. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to update all your Windows drivers in just one click, using a completely free tool. The process is super simple, safe, and works on Windows 7, 8, 10, and 11. So, watch carefully till the end, and you'll have your computer running smoother in no time. Before we start, I have a small request. Please like the video and subscribe to support my channel. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Driver Booster. Click on the official IOBIT website. On the website, click on this Download button. It will send you to a new page. Now again, click on the Download button and it will start downloading. If any other file starts downloading, cancel that. We only need Driver Booster Setup file. When downloading completes, open your Downloads folder. Here is the setup file. To install, just right-click and open it. If it asks for any permission, click Yes. Make sure these options are not selected. Then click Install. Accept the agreements. Do not click Accept here. If you click, then it will download additional apps. After installation, close this. Now it will automatically add on your taskbar. If it can't see it here, then search it on Search Bar and open it. You'll see a simple dashboard with a big scan button right in the middle. This is where the magic starts. Click the Scan button. Driver Booster will now check your computer for any outdated, missing or faulty drivers. This might take a minute or two, depending on your system. When the scan is complete, you'll see a list of drivers that need updating. You can either click Update All to update everything at once, or update them one by one if you prefer. I recommend to go with Update All because it will automatically download and install all missing and outdated drivers. Now it has started installing all drivers on my PC. Sorry friends, my screen recording was stopped because of installing the drivers. But don't worry, once the updates are installed, Driver Booster will simply ask you to restart your PC so the new drivers can work properly. Just go ahead and restart. That's how you use Driver Booster 13 to keep your PC drivers up to date. It's quick, easy, and can really improve your computer's performance. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.